In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in Google Vids. Now, whether you're working on a creative project, a presentation, or just trying to put together a video for friends and family, knowing how to effectively manipulate video clips can dramatically enhance your final product. So, let's dive into the steps that will get you pasting clips like a pro in no time. First off, you're going to want to navigate to Google Vids. This platform is part of the Google Workspace suite, offering a range of productivity and collaboration tools. For those unfamiliar, Google Vids is a powerful tool that allows you to create, edit, and share videos with ease. On your browser, type in the URL or simply search for Google Vids. Once you're on the site, you'll most likely be greeted with the home page. Next, you'll need to sign in to access all of the features that Google Vids has to offer. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will prompt a sign-in page where you can enter your credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you intend to use for your video project. Selecting your preferred account will grant you access to your Google Vids dashboard. Now, with access to your account, it's time to maneuver within your workspace. If you're working on an existing project or starting a new one, navigate to the video editing interface. Here you can upload and sequence clips to craft your story. For the purposes of our tutorial, let's assume you have a couple of clips already lined up on your timeline. Imagine you've got 2 clips on your timeline, and you've just found another great piece of footage you'd like to include in between them. First, position your cursor exactly where you want this new clip to go. This might seem like a small detail, but precision here ensures a smooth transition between clips, enhancing the flow of your video. Now, here comes the critical part, pasting your new clip. If you've already copied the clip you intend to paste into your project, great. If not, make sure you've selected and copied it from its source before proceeding. Once your cursor is in the right spot, right-click in your mouse. A context menu will appear on the screen. Look for the Paste option within this menu. Clicking Paste will insert the copied clip right where your cursor is placed, seamlessly integrating it into your project. But hey, let's not forget about shortcuts. For those who prefer them, pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard achieves the same result in a fraction of the time. It's a simple yet effective shortcut that can speed up your editing process significantly. And there you have it, you've successfully pasted a clip into your Google Vids project. But before we wrap up, a couple of additional tips can enhance your editing experience even further. Remember, the art of video editing is all about trial and error. Don't be afraid to experiment with different clips and their placements. Also, make use of Google Vids' other features like transitions and effects to give your video that extra polish. In summary, starting with navigating to Google Vids and signing in, to positioning your cursor and pasting your chosen clip, each step plays an essential role in the video creation process. And with the shortcut Ctrl+V, you can streamline your workflow for even better efficiency. I hope this guide empowers you to explore and utilize Google Vids to its full potential, enhancing your video projects with ease. Keep experimenting and happy editing.